If I put my name to something, it sells. I've been offered $50, $60, $70 million to sell junk to children, which I wouldn't do because I have too much morals. How much is my brand worth?
Andrew Tate, kickboxing world champion, chess enthusiast, polarizing figure, ended up getting canceled just to become the most searched person in the entire world, even more than the likes of President Trump and the war in Ukraine. Welcome to the real Matrix.
This is the construct.
This is the story of how Andrew Tate made $500 million in 1 year. And the secret is to do as he does, not as he says. Before we can get into the rise of Andrew Tate, we must talk about how this is the perfect opportunity for him. This is the world of fast-paced content.
Ready?
Like millions of kids around the world, 15-year-old Charlie D'Amelio's new favorite pastime is making up dance moves for the social media app TikTok.
It's live on Mondays at 8 Eastern, 5 Pacific on Disney+. Congrats, you're doing so well. You have 2 top scores.
What if it doesn't work out? And now you just got this hair and these face tats?
But
Your ego, right?
No, I don't think so. I don't think I'm egotistical at all.
The rise of TikTok is comparable to the rise of influencers on its platform. Anybody can be famous. Anybody can get views instantly, even on a brand new account with 0 followers. For the first time, content isn't being gatekept by the people who were there first and who had the most followers. With how big TikTok became, it was no surprise that competition in Silicon Valley was going to pursue. Now, just like the rise of every new revolutionary idea, short-form content is now a part of our daily lives, and it's here to stay. This isn't the future, it's the present. But now let's get to the juicy stuff. How do you monetize this shit? Candy stores, Gel Blaster, Tabs chocolate. Like clockwork, not only are new influencers being born, but some crafty individuals started abusing the algorithm into promoting their product. Now views aren't just views, they are dollars. And the new era of TikTok brands were born. But now you're probably thinking, how does all of this tie into Andrew Tate? Just hold on, I'm getting there. Because the game is about to change. Multiple accounts. Now, not only were these brands abusing the new age of the algorithm, now they were using hundreds of accounts to maximize this potential to the most. Most brands started out paying literally random people, retainers, to post monthly content. That's how easy it was to get views. Then they realized that they could make even more money if they just paid affiliate to weed out the lower performers. And now I guess you're starting to see the similarities between the rise of the TikTok brand and Andrew Tate. You can scroll for yourself. Type in the Gel Blaster into TikTok, obviously after you watch this video. Type in Tabs chocolate into TikTok. And like I always say, if people are doing something on the internet, more than likely, they're probably making money off it. Now, while some people use this new method to grow a brand or to sell a dropshipping product, Andrew Tate used this to sell himself, the true guru way. Let's break down this product.
Some guy with an undercut just called me soy boy?
Oh, don't worry, Greg.
$147 first month, $49 a month after that, which is a really good price point. He's pretty much just banking on you buying it one time and then canceling after that, or he would probably have the subscription cost the same as the sign-up cost. Now, in Hustlers University, he teaches you the popular ways to make money online, but one of the easiest ways to make money is by reposting his content on YouTube Shorts and TikTok and getting affiliate sales each time someone uses your link to sign up. And mind you, this system is pure profit. There is no physical product. You receive nothing besides a digital link to join something that he already created. Then you get charged monthly for being in that group.
There is no nobility in poverty.
This is pretty much autopilot. The only costs are the server for the website and his domain, which is probably like $7 to $15 a year. Because don't forget, he doesn't pay advertising costs. These are affiliates posting his links in his videos that only make money when people sign up using their link. But as you guys can see, it is the easiest it's ever been to go viral on a new account. Andrew Tate has unlimited entertaining content to dispose, which unintentionally or intentionally all pretty much funnel you to his course. Add a monthly subscription and an incentive for someone to post more Andrew Tate, and now you have yourself a gold mine. Then he has the high ticket club, the War Room.
Imagine if I told you that for just $5,000, you could join a secret society as powerful as the Illuminati.
War Room is kind of like the Illuminati, but cooler. Started the War Room to attract a conglomerate of superheroes. It's kind of like Avengers.
We have over 2,000 members, over 600 millionaires.
But you can get kicked at any moment without a refund.
This is where he charges over $5,000 to join. This is for the big spenders, the big fish that want to cut to the chase. Andrew Tate pretty much just mixed the traditional Tai Lopez guru, Grant Cardone, with a modern, up-to-date marketing technique that you kind of got to applaud.
Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here.
The color. Some people said they like it, some people said they don't like it, and I said, well, what color's your Bugatti?
Even his whole branding is pretty cool. Hustlers University, calling the real world the Matrix. This is very well done. If someone is trying to sell you financial advice, but they live in a 2x2 apartment, you probably wouldn't listen. Which is why you see Andrew Tate making sure to point out the obvious, that he's rich and you're not. Oh, and not to mention his lifestyle is better than yours as well. He has fast cars. He's in good shape. He travels the world. He's a kickboxing champion. This is the best selling technique to sell a lifestyle course. As I said in the previous video, that nowadays it is more important to sell a lifestyle rather than a good product. Gurus take this to the next level. More money just gives him more attention, which gives him more money, and the cycle continues. And what's my best advice out of all of this? Do as they do, not as they say. But as you guys know, time is money, so I gotta clock out.
You are either lazy, stupid, or arrogant. Those are the only three reasons anyone is poor. And you have to identify and choose which one it is.